Welcome to another video. We are at the American Car Show at Upton Blues Festival on the 19th of July 2025. It's a Saturday.
How did they get that in?
I like the blue one.
Which blue one?
That
That one.
Yeah, 350, but again, stroker takes it up to 383. And what year is it? It's 79. Because I'll say, I'm not penny off on call there, so I know the rough history, but yeah, another beautiful car. I'm something to be proud of. People very far. Oh yes, they only come from Austin. But it's always great, isn't it? When you come to lovely. And American only's always gone for many years. And they did perform very well. As they progressed, they got better and better. And by the time they got to 79, towards the end of the practical ones, after they started to get more and more electronics in them and all sorts of things that people couldn't understand and things would go wrong. But this is really a nice one. Europeans really bringing it down. Listen to that. You can't beat the sound of a V8. Now this is an interesting car. I've seen it before, and it is really a traditional hot rod. Yeah, 1931 Model A body, and the most interesting thing is it's got a 1949 Ultimate rocket engine, which was the first overhead valve V8s, 303 cubic inches, and this one, it's spent a lot of time getting it set up. It's got 4 2-barrel Stromberg 97s, which were the thing for hot rodders. And so, as you can imagine, being so light, it goes very well. And another very traditional thing is the thin Buick brake drums. And you went to France recently, didn't you? Yeah, he's been all the way to France, isn't it? And back, obviously. And you say quite a lot. Do you have any problems with having no cameras? Yeah, this is the thing. Driving cameras, if you're sensible, nobody really bothers. But I say it's all about being sensible. What transmission you got? Automatic or? Oh, 4-speed manual transmission. So this really is the traditional hot rod. Yeah, you don't see many as traditional as this, do you?
But the people, you know, they're
all
very interesting building. Postal number, it's got a story and it's very sociable.
Oh yeah, it was built originally in the 1960s.
When we came with Tony and Ellen, we
probably scraped from the front gallon, we saved the engine and everything else. Came to this country 5 years ago, and the owner is finishing off to the standard, which is really with the pen going and And so it's really used, it's around. You wouldn't think it'd be used because it's so nice. Yeah. Thanks very much for bringing it around. Lovely to see you. And as I say, you can't beat the sound of a V8, can you? Now you've got a 64 Buick.
Squeaks and creaks and rattles.
Again, it's a car I've seen before. And again, it's something in lovely condition. The engine's been changed, which was quite a saga because various fitting, we had to figure out where the dipstick was supposed to go because we couldn't measure how much oil it was in it. And this is the Buick Wildcat, if I remember right, is it? Is it the Wildcat model? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so it's actually, this engine's a little bit bigger than the other one, the original. It's an old automobile engine, 455 cubic inches, and that's about 7.5 litre. And it also runs on LPG, which reduces the cost by about 50% actually. Yeah, so he's managed to upset me. He only pays 74 pence a litre for his fuel. But yeah, that's disappointing. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah, there's like a mini car show in the back window. And yeah, that's worth having a look at. Hey, how long have you owned this now? How long have you owned this car? Yeah, I remember that. And it's been in the family for about 5 years, and the present owner has taken it on for money about a year ago. But it's been here since 2016, that's in the UK. And in case you don't know, Buick is the second tier of General Motors. Cadillac is at the top, I had to say that. And Buick is the next one. Then it was Pontiac, and then Chevrolet. But I say Chevrolet at the bottom, and they're still very good cars, and hopefully we'll have some Chevrolets around. Yeah, that's an interesting point. David Buick was Scottish, and he was a very, very clever inventor and engineer, but he was a useless businessman. And he was making engines about 1900. He got into the Vim and Figure Marine Engine Company, and every Buick was had overhead valves, which going back as far as 1900 was very unusual. And then in 1908 it became one of the founding parts of General Motors, and it's been with General Motors ever since. And here's another strange thing. When General Motors was in trouble not long ago, well, a few years ago now, they considered closing Buick, but they looked into it. It was their biggest export to China. So that's really something obscure for you. But so it actually saved Buick because they sent so many to China. But this was obviously long before 1964. Still got the small tail fins. Now this one's a two-door hard top. So again, all the windows fall down, and it's now the spiel was it gave you all the advantage of the convertible, but without the disadvantages. Yeah, and they made it look like a soft top, so you have the advantages, but it's a much more rigid car than a soft top would be, and so you don't get so many rattles, you don't get all the drafts and everything, and it's a good practical idea, which originally 1949 they were introduced. Buick, Olds, Cadillac, they all had their various versions of the hard top. Thanks very much for bringing it round. Good to see it again. Now we've got a Mustang. Oh. 67, 68, 69, oh well, I wasn't far ahead. Is it genuine Shelby? It's a genuine Shelby GT350. I asked the question if it was genuine because over the years there's been a lot of fakes, and to find a genuine one, they are quite unusual. Dare I say this? He actually turned, because they're considerably more valuable than an ordinary Mustang of the period, and he's actually turned down £100,000 a week ago. Yeah. Sold his Trans. Wait, who was the Trans Am?
They got a powder coaters next door, have they? But it runs under Griffin Equity.
Yeah, so he sold his Trans Am, 49.5, 78, smoky in a Bandit style, which do fetch a lot of money. And then, on the same day, the guy who bought the Trans Am offered 100,000 for this one. Amazing. It would be life-changing. But again, beautiful car. And there's lots of stories about the name 350. And one of them, I think the most popular one, is the 350 represented the number of footsteps from Carol Shelby's office to his factory. Now, whether that's true or not, I don't know. But that seems to be the most popular one. Now, have you owned this very long? 20 years. Yeah, so... yeah. Yeah. We've done much work on it over the years. Saw him when he was 17 and 20 years later had some money, fell in love with it obviously. 20 years later had some money and this is what we've got today. Thanks very much for bringing it round. It's a lovely car. And it's still got sequential tail lights. So you watch when he turns the indicators on. How it runs across. They made them illegal, but then when they became popular in Europe, have to accept them now. And this is Mr. Newman, our Chief Marshal. His GMC. This is quite an unusual truck. You see a lot of Chevys now, you don't see too many GMCs. And what's in this shop? 350? Yeah, so a 350, same engine as the Chevy. Based on boiled linseed oil with his own magic chemicals in it, and it completely retards the rust. And these old pickup trucks, they are nice, aren't they? And it's so usable. Automatic, yeah, automatic. It's got everything in it you would expect, really, in quite a luxury car. Aircon, power steering. I mean, it's all there. And originally it belonged to a farmer or something like that. It's 71, so I wasn't far out. Oh yeah, came from California. So the patina is not rust probably. It's just California's sun has actually burnt the paint off it. And it's a lovely old truck. I see it regularly, and of course see John regularly as well. It really is a nice old truck. Yeah, because he used to own the Kenworth, and he used to pull me every show on that one.
It's a bit sore, but it's knocking about.
14 litre. Was it cat engine or?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
14 litre cat engine.
Yeah, you're right.
And about a million speed gearbox on it. And you had to go to university to change gear on that. But he decided he wanted something a bit more.
She'll make sure to say hello to you.
Yeah. Got an itch. You got an itch. Yeah, you got an itch.
Yay! It's her first time out here. She's only 6 months.
Oh, right.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
It's alright.
Next. Again, someone I know very well. Yeah. Because Chevrolet was the best car in America. It's been for many years. This is whereas the other people you've looked at, they've been hard tops. It's got pillars in between. This is the main one. It takes its feet.
Oh yeah. Well, Sam wasn't here last year. That was good actually. Yeah. It was worth getting told off for. Yes. It was worth getting told off. Definitely. It's 17 minutes. On my transit in the end. Depth. No, actually, I did that. I think I did put in that in so active because
It's actually really useful renting as well.
obviously it needs some fluid in.
He's going to retire from that. And got a few projects he wants to do.
It's just for the top trip. I had 2-speed of mine. It's just
Yeah, because last year,
I drove 2 speeds when I was
that's it, it had all the back bumpers.
and that's it. It was only pretty much
Taking tail lights and everything. It looked a bit That's the thing with so many American colleagues find what they like, they fall in love with it, and they keep it.
And then they review it and decide, oh yeah, that's okay or not okay.
Yeah, it's used all year round, which most of the shows. Again, we've got a 350 with a 383. Well, with a stroke again today, down to 383. So it's 6.3 litre. And it would have started off at 350 cubic inch from that point slowly.
Fancy that?
Big job. And it increases the.
What? Latin? It's because it's all Greek and Greek and classic. Hank! No tak.
Czy był chodny
We're just walking the booth, we'll be back. Oh yeah.
So strong.
I think we saw him last year. Right, we'll see you in a bit. All right.
I'll take crypto.
You just can't break them. They just go on and on forever. This is I'm just reading the sheet here. This was the Biscayne, which was the lowest price model.
Yeah, they're all right. They have their measurements, so yeah, no, they're good.
235 cubic inch.
You are.
Straight 600.
He's a handsome chap, Hank.
Parallel automatic.
He is. He actually looks like your twin brother.
Now it's been
He's nearly 8, yeah.
boosted up to 383. Got a 350 turbo.
He goes, oh yeah.
Which is, again,
But unfortunately, they're going to have a bath this afternoon. That's their plan. As I've killed all my cars, so I'm dog bathing this afternoon.
We did him a couple of weeks ago, but he's due to get.
Hello.
He goes to the groomers and has an insurance as well every 6 weeks. So he's due for that.
I blew the engine
Will
up
be on
on
the-
the
will be on YouTube.
Was it 2 years ago? I think we parked next to you, didn't we?
Yeah. So I did that. I did the.
But a couple of days ago, the forecast was.
Right, cheers.
Right, I'm just going to go and get the dog food.
Where am I going?
Nora's managed to lock I don't know how.
I knew it wasn't. Mine was from Greenwich. It's hold on.
Oh, now I know why they put wheels on.
So
you put the tea on the end.
Greenwich is hold on.
Cup holder, external cup holders.
It was a pickup at some point.
And then there's just about 8.
Then was a farm truck with a top on it.
8 sections of theory to do as well. And there's 8 modules of theory.
How hard is it, that the theory?
I think it might be, yeah.
I'm more of a ship on.
And then you want to get away from airlines? Yeah. So would you start on some... Do they trade on?
That's a nice one.
Got one on the tow bar hook at the back of the camper.
Yes.
I'm over there. Because I've been redlining life, we just missed one set of keys for the entire
I
car.
was going to say to you, what did a guy doing making, keys?
And the car didn't feel it. But it didn't even notice that. Pull it along. All talk, isn't it? All talk. Surveyors now, oh. Oh, real?
Decide where I want to
Travel sickness. I've been having an hour and a half in there.
You could stick it in
Yeah, you could do that.
like a tattoo on his forehead. If you really want to go to zoom in, you can stand on the tow bar.
He was telling me apparently he ordered stuff from TV, and then they put up this thing that said, add this to your order for an extra £1 or something. 500 of these stickers. So he went, yeah, I'll do that.
There.
Show us from here about that.
Well, I can't get into them because we can't get to the walker.
Beast down yesterday, up my leg yesterday, like that.
Oh, you need some of this.
What is it? Stuck it. It's a chin again, like.
I got it all. Our friend Lynn, didn't we? Oh, didn't come to our friend Lynn, on the way, she went, thank you for being my judge dealer. I'd given a bus to town. Oh, I give her something to make her find out. And I said, thank you for being my drug dealer and being my mother, feeding me. Put it right, see this? The best thing said you can, you know the best. But you need to spray it in microbial lemon. It's a bit oily. when we went to Greece, everybody around the swimming pool.
I don't know where I've got to.
Where's G? Right.
Oh, they're over there.
Ah, it started raining.
That chair's standing still, I don't know.
No, I think he's talking about Buzz's knees. They'll go rusty.
See the size of that? Yeah. That was my dream car, that was. Was it? Yeah. It's a what? Dodge Ram. Stop counting. The first car I ever bought, 37 pounds. Wimbledon. Yeah. 25. Hello. Hello, beautifuls.
What's this one?
Dad, this is the modernised Mustang from Bullet.
Yeah, seriously nice.
Exactly.
That's
Interesting. Thanks. Well, I thought I'd plug the lead in because, well,
Yeah,
it does look
begs the
unusual.
question,
Begs the
doesn't it?
question.
Yeah. I thought it might have been something like that, but it looks thick enough to be a hydraulic thing as well.
Yeah, it does look a bit like a hydraulic drive head.
Yeah.
Jump-start your tanks with it. Aircraft
carriers.
Yeah.
Also, yeah. And that's the exception of that.
Yeah. It's an Austin. This is very nice, but not American. It's an Austin. That one's not American.
It's a show home job, isn't it?
Yeah, there was a lot of confusion what happened. We put the advert forward to the night, and then things changed, and then I spoke to somebody, and then
new battery, and that's been on.
But the majority of the far end of the car park is trying to walk towards it. It's straight line. You're looking at it. Looking at the floor. Yeah.
It's just a phone.
It's like this year we're not doing challenge recording. No, £2 to go in. That's what I don't understand. Exactly. But Lorraine's cousin goes there on his bike with his mates and they charged him 10 for the bike last year. So we all just said there, Jackie came in behind me.
This is the Upton Blues Festival, so I know which car that is. If you just tell me, I'll go put them on the car. Okay. Alright. Like it was points on my way back here. I'll go put them on the car.
And 106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it.
Yeah, the other thing.
My little dude's coop. You know what I got. Little dude's coop. Yeah, let the wheel out.
Me customer. Me only want to pay nothing.
Yeah, I'll put it on. I'll be 7 now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Harry. Oh, what do you look at it if you're not key ring for £7 and wedding cups. And it's all I've lost lots. There was another. Given the choice, that's what I would.
at the Upton Blues Festival. I'm trying to get a photograph of me with angel wings, but I don't think it's working. Yes. I think I'm too tall for these wings. So this was a video of the cars parked in the show. My next video is going to be the cars leaving the show.